Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your activity on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord automatically shows your friends the games you're playing or music you're listening. If a game uses Discord's rich presence feature, your friend can even see where you are in game. So, what if you want to hide your activity on Discord? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. Now, as you can see in here, my activity is I'm playing Roblox, and I don't want my friends to see that playing Roblox right now. So I want to hide it. How to do it is very simple. You can select on your name in here. Now you can select in here on the three dots on your activity. Select on here, more. There is an option privacy. You can just select on that. There is an option share my activity. You can control how your game and app activity is shared, what's visible, and who sees it. By default, it's set to share my activity. Share activity information from games and connected apps you use, including when and how you engage. You can choose on to not share. Share server I share with. Here's if you don't want to share your activity with the server that you've joined, and also don't forget to hide it. It's very simple, right? So now no one can see your activity on Discord. And now you can see there's the activity on my Discord. So that is how to hide your activity on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.